In today's video, we are going to learn about set and set operations. In simple terms, sets are like a basket of items. And what are set operations? They are like rules for combining or comparing those baskets. Union, it combines everything from both the sets, set A and set B. Here, set A has 1, 2, 3 and set B has 4 and 5. So when we say A union B, we write everything together. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when we represent as a Venn diagram, we color the whole. Intersection. When you say A intersection B, you need to write what's common in both the sets. Like for example, set A has 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B has 4, 5. What's common here? 4. So A intersection B is 4. So when you represent in a Venn diagram, we write what is common, which is 4 in the center and color only that portion. In this example, set A has 1, 2, 3. Set B has 4, 5. So if I say what's the intersection of A and B? Since A and B have no common elements, their intersection is empty set. So we can say two sets are disjoint if they have no elements in common. They don't share anything inside them. Symmetric difference. It includes elements that are in A or B but not in both. It's like you're subtracting the intersection from the union. So A symmetric difference B is 1, 2, 3, 5. A difference B means includes all the elements that are in set A but not in B. B difference A means includes all the elements that are in set B but not in A. Before we learn complement of a set, we need to know universal set. Universal set is a big collection of all the possible elements which we are considering in a particular situation. For example, in a classroom, the whole classroom is a universal set. Our set A is a smaller group taken from our universal set, like all the kids who are wearing red shirts. That could be set A. So the complement of set A is everything else in the group, like kids who belong to the same class and who are not wearing red shirt. Universal set U has 1 through 8 and set A has 1 through 6. So what's the complement of A? It should be a part of U and it should not be present in A. If you liked my video, don't forget to ask a grown-up and subscribe to my channel.